How to stop phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can stop our phone contacts from finding us on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if your contacts is synced on the Snapchat app, it will automatically show your profile to other people on Snapchat, right? So if you want to disable yourself from showing up in other people's contact list, first of all, go ahead and then make sure to launch a Snapchat application. After you do that, make sure to tap on the Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen to come to your Bitmoji avatar page. And after you've done that, what you want to do is simply make sure to tap the gear icon from the top right, which is a settings cog icon. Once you've done that, first of all scroll down over here and simply look for the option called See Me in QuickCat right over here. So when you select See Me in QuickCat, you want to simply uncheck this option called Show Yourself in QuickCat, which will not let other people find you on the QuickCat section. Now, after this, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom again until you look for the option called Contact Syncing, as you can find here. Once you go to Contact Syncing, here you can see Share Contacts with Snapchat. You simply want to make sure to turn off this toggle, and once you turn off this toggle, disabling Contact Sync may make it harder to find new friends on Snapchat. When you stop syncing, we will also remove previously synced contacts from our server, so click the confirm option. And this way you can stop your phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.